Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Degntalk. Today we have a very special guest, BD Michael from 4E Exchange. Hi, Michael.
Hello everyone, happy to be here. I'm Michael from 4A Exchange.
Welcome, Michael. Please introduce yourself and give us an in-depth intro of 4E Exchange, please.
Yeah, so I'm the BD manager at 4A Exchange. I joined 4A Exchange for almost 2 years, since 2023. Before 4A Exchange, I worked for various exchanges or DeFi protocols before. And I found that 4A Exchange is amazing because it's really a comprehensive product. All right, now that I'm gonna give you a quick introduction about 4E.
Please.
4E is an emerging financial asset trading platform dedicated to providing global users with one-stop trading services for a variety of assets, including cryptocurrency, forex, commodities, stocks, and stock indices. Through continuous product and technological innovation, the exchange integrates diverse financial assets into one single platform, allowing users to trade high-quality global assets with USDT in one click. This eliminates the cumbersome steps of cross-assets and cross-platform trading while catering to different risk preferences and investment strategies. This model has gained user recognition. With 1.5 years of its launch, the platform has surpassed 1.5 million users worldwide, in more than 20 countries and regions, and has become a global partner of the Argentine national team. Currently, 4A's business segments are experiencing strong growth momentum. For instance, in its crypto business, data recorded by CoinMarketCap shows that on April 9th, the 24-hour spot trading volume reached $5 billion.
Wow, that's crazy. What are the current focuses at 4E at this point in time?
We are currently focused on product development and market expansion. While the crypto market holds tremendous potential, it is undeniably cyclical. Traditional finance market such as gold, equities, and forex also present significant opportunities. However, the barriers between these markets often discourage many investors. At 4E, we aim to break down these barriers. Our team continues to prioritize product innovation and trading engine optimization, introducing a wider range of asset classes and deeper liquidity. Our goal is to enhance the trading experience, lower investment thresholds, and make financial growth more accessible to everyone. On the market expansion front, it tailors its approach to the unique characteristics and needs of each country or region. This includes building local teams, offering multilingual support, refining and innovating products and services, ensuring compliance with local regulations, supporting local payment methods, and forming partnerships with local financial institutions and collaborations. This localized strategy has paid off. Over the past year, we have seen significant growth in market share across Southeast Asia and South America.
Wow, great. Sounds like there's a lot of expansion going on at 4E, which is good to hear. What is 4E's current or future roadmap for the next 6 to 12 months?
Simply put, we are focusing on three key areas: trading experience, community engagement, and new business initiatives. On the trading side, we are upgrading more core features by improving liquidity and reducing latency. We are also planning to host a global trading competition with a massive prize pool. In addition, we have a major new business initiative in the pipeline that is designed to deliver strong profit potential for users. These plans are progressing steadily. Some features are already in testing. Over the next 6 to 12 months, the market is likely to heat up, and we hope these initiatives will further enhance the user's experience and create a greater sense of involvement. Of course, if the community has any suggestions, whether it's adding new assets or tweaking tweaking certain features, we will always open to feedback and give priority consideration.
So, are you guys doing any campaigns or upcoming alphas that you can share with the audience from 4E?
Sure. Following the recent turbulence caused by Trump tariff policies, the financial markets are showing signs of stabilization and recovery. To help users seize this opportunity, we have launched a series of trading campaigns, such as $10 bonus for new user registrations and a trading competition with a prize pool of up to $1 million. These events span across cryptocurrency, gold, forex, and stock index derivatives markets. With low entry barriers and high rewards, our goal is to help users reduce trading costs and maximize potential returns. These campaigns are currently in full swing, and we warmly welcome everyone to join in and compete for a share of $1 million prize pool.
Now, Michael, I would love to hear your view from an exchange, right? From your side, because you've seen a lot. So what's your view on the current market then? Like, the AI and the meme coins and just general market sentiment. Like, I want to see your view from, 4E's perspective.
Yeah, right now I think I see Web3 market entering a new phase that balance speculation with substance. Like on one end, we're seeing meme coin revival, and while it's easy to dismiss them as hype, they actually reflect a deeper trend. Retail is back, sentiment is shifting, and the crypto's playful culture is alive again. Meme coin brings attention, liquidity, and reminds us that crypto has always been part of finance and part of social movement. But if I had to bet on one narrative for the future, it's definitely the real world assets, RWA. Tokenizing things like treasure bills, real estate, and invoices connect crypto to real world value. With high rates, demand for on-chain yield backed by real asset is growing fast. Protocols like MakerDAO are already earning 9 figures from RWA exposure. To me, RWA is how we scale Web3 beyond speculation. It brings institutional trust, unlock new use cases, and build the bridge between DeFi and TradFi. It's not just the next big thing, it's how we make this space truly sustainable.
Good. Yeah, no, I agree with that. I think RWA is probably the future. Combining Web 2 and Web 3 would be the way to go for the future. Is this what you envisioned crypto to be since you've joined the space?
Yeah, honestly, yes and no. When I first got into crypto, I was drawn into by the ideas, decentralization, finance freedom, permissionless innovation. I will admit I didn't fully grasp how chaotic and experimental it would be. Over time, I have come to appreciate that messiness is part of the process. In some ways, crypto has exceeded my expectation. We have built global financial infrastructure from DEX that run 24/7 to open lending markets and DAOs coordinating capital across continents. The fact that a meme coin can go viral overnight while someone else tokenizes a building on the same chain, that duality is wild and kind of beautiful. With that being said, I didn't expect it take this long for real world adoption to kick in. It's only recently, with narratives like RWA and stable on-chain yield, that I feel we are finally bridging crypto with real economy in a meaningful way. And that's what excites me most today. Not just the tech, but also chance to make it actually useful, scalable, and inclusive. So no, it's not exactly what I envisioned. It's messier, but also way more powerful than I imagined. And I feel lucky to be in it at this point in the journey.
Yeah, I agree. Aren't we all? It's a very messy place, the whole memes and stuff. I mean, as an exchange, you probably see it more clearly than most. So what are your ultimate goals and milestones that you're hoping to achieve?
For me, the ultimate goal is to help build products that bring real value to people, not just in crypto native world, but in broader economy. I want to be a part of a team that creates something useful, scalable, and sustainable. Something that someone outside crypto can benefit without even realizing it's on chain. In the short term, I want to contribute meaningfully to a protocol or platform that's solving real problems, whether that improving DeFi accessibility, scaling early adoption, or making Web3 infrastructure more intuitive. Milestone-wise, I love to help launch a product or campaign that gain traction beyond Euro crypto cycles, something that gets real users, not just speculators. Long term, my goal is to grow into a leadership role where I can shape strategy, mentor others, or help steer Web3 in a direction that combines innovation with responsibility. I believe crypto can redefine finance, but only if we build of its purpose, and that's the kind of impact I'm aiming for.
Nice, nice. Yeah, no, I think you'll definitely reach your goal, Michael, because you've been fantastic so far. Just last question, 4E again. As an exchange that's relatively new in the space, right? What are some of the differences and points that really shine in terms of the exchange in comparison to others?
Yeah. Our advantages and strategies boil down to two core points: a robust product and good service. Simply put, we attract users with diverse trading options and technical strengths while retaining them with an exceptional user experience. Financial market is full of opportunities, and we are not limiting ourselves to cryptocurrencies. Instead, we are bundle crypto, forex, stocks, and commodities into one platform. For example, you can use USDT to buy Bitcoin, gold, earn high interest through wealth management, or trade US stock CDFs. This cross-category approach is really rare in this industry, and our strategy has proven successful. Backend data shows that users of our one-stop service have 30% higher daily trading volume than those trading only crypto. Moving forward, we plan to introduce even more assets to provide users with greater opportunities. On the tech side, we have developed a proprietary trading engine capable of handling nearly 1 million orders per second. During major market fluctuations, our system remains stable with zero downtime or latency, always smooth. Coupled with comprehensive customer service system, we offer 24/7 support, resolving user issues within 30 seconds. This timely, professional, and thoughtful service boosts users' trust and satisfaction with the platform. In summary, 4E's strengths lie into its comprehensive products, stable technology, and excellent service. Backed by innovation and various promotions and incentives, with this solid foundation, we're confident that we can stand out in this competitive space.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, guys, please follow and like 4E Exchange. They give out plenty of promotions and campaigns all the time. We'll put a link here for you to register and use. It's probably one of the good new exchanges that I've found. Yeah, Michael, thank you so much for your time. It's been
Thanks
a pleasure
for having me.
Yeah, no, it's been a pleasure. And for the audiences, thank you again for tuning in to Degntalk, and I'll see you guys next one. See you later. Thanks, Michael.
Bye.